morning everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today what we are going to do? Yes, today we are going to do a science experiment using Eno and water. Okay, let's see what happened. With this, we have two balloons, but we only need one balloon, and we need one packet of this Eno. This is very easy. These all things are easily available at your home, at your school, everywhere. So, using these material, you can enjoy this experiment. Okay, and secondly, we need this plastic bottle. Okay, you can take the small size, medium size or bigger size, that is your choice. Okay, so we are going to start this experiment. Okay, yeah. First of all I will fill this water bottle. You can see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, done. Okay, now I am going to cut this packet of Eno using this scissors. Kaustubh, beta, give it to me. This is the balloon. Can you please help me, Kaustubh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, hold this like this way. Okay, this way we are going to fill this. You will fill. Okay, I will hold this. So Kaustubh is helping me. Very good. Okay, what we are going to do? We are going to fill the balloon. Okay, that's okay, Kaustubh. That's enough, beta. Okay. Okay. Put it over there. Yes. Okay. So now our this balloon is full of one packet of Eno. Okay. Now we are going to make this here on this bottle. Okay. Now magic will start. Have a look. Okay. Now mix this with water. What is this? These are the bubbles. You can see these are the bubbles. Eno is reacting with what? Eno is reacting with water, and which gas is this? Which gas is coming out? Yes, carbon dioxide gas. Okay, so this is our experiment, Eno and water experiment. Are you happy?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you enjoying this experiment?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is very simple now.
Yes, ma'am.
This is very simple, and we can do this experiment at anywhere, at your home also. You can do this experiment at your home also. Okay. Simply what we need, only one bottle. Okay. Thank